Okay, so I guess this is it. I always thought that doesn't matter. I always thought somehow, someday I would figure out what I'm good for. But now it's clear I'm not good for anything. I guess I should say, don't blame yourself. This isn't your fault. No, fuck it, if you feel a little bit sorry for me at all, then it is your fault. It's everyone's fault. It's my dad's fault. Mum, this is your fault. Everyone at school, all the students, the teachers, the principal, this is all your fault. I want the guilt to eat you up. I want you to wonder what you should have done for the rest of your life. What am I talking about? No one will miss me. No one will care. No one will even feel bad. You'll all be happier. I can never fit in. I'm too weird. And that's not going to change. You know, I can't not be who I am. I wouldn't know how. So, I guess I'll never get to kiss a girl. I'll never see a red-crowned crane in the wild, but what's the point of that anyway? It's just a fucking bird, right? No one cares about fucking birds. I'm sorry for being in your life, for wasting your time. Okay. This is it. Goodbye. In my next life, I'd like to be a bird if requests are allowed anyway. So long.